Linking your bank account to Russell Country Federal Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the linking process, collect necessary information such as your bank account number, routing number, and any personal identification details required by the credit union. Step 2. Access online banking. Log into your Russell Country Federal Credit Union online banking account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one by providing your personal information and setting up a username and password. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select Link External Account. In account settings, look for an option to link or add an external bank account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 5. Enter bank account details. Fill in the required fields with your external bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Review the information for accuracy and submit the request to link your account. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of the linked account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Russell Country Federal Credit Union's customer service for assistance.